If you've ever struggled to organize content in Confluence or wanted a quick way to see every label in one place, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate a searchable, clickable list of all your Confluence labels, making it so much easier to manage projects, track pages, and stay organized across your spaces. Let's jump right in. Now, as of 2025, Confluence gives us a couple of reliable ways to look up our labels, but my favorite, and the one I recommend, is using the labels list macro. This is especially handy if you're working within a specific space, like a team area, a project archive, or a documentation zone. So first, you'll want to open up the Confluence page where you want your label directory to appear. This can be a brand new page or an existing one where you're collecting resources. Click on that page and then head into edit mode. You'll usually find the edit button at the top. Give that a click so you're ready to add new content. Now here where the magic happens. In edit mode, simply type a /, just the slash key on your keyboard, and then start typing labels. You should see labels list appear in the suggested macros. Alternatively, if you prefer the menu, you can open the insert menu. It's often a little plus sign at the top of the editor and scroll through until you find labels list. Click on it to insert the macro into your page. You'll immediately see a configuration panel pop up, and this is where you get to customize what your label list will show. If you want labels from just the current space, maybe because it's a project area or a documentation hub, enter the space key. Not sure what a space key is? It's usually the short code that identifies your space, like HR for human resources or DEV for development. If you're not sure what yours is, you can usually spot it in the space's URL or ask your admin. You can also leave this blank or choose all spaces if you need a broader overview. Once you've finished configuring your macro, click Insert. It'll add a placeholder to your page, but don't worry, you won't see the actual label list just yet. Next, go ahead and publish your page. This might take a few seconds, especially if it's your first time using the macro, so don't worry if it needs a moment to load. When you view the published page, you'll see an alphabetical list, a tidy index of every label that's been used in the selected space. Even better, Confluence turns each of these labels into a link. That means if you're curious what's been tagged, you can just click a label and instantly view all related content. It's almost like creating your own little discovery portal, letting your teammates browse documentation, tasks, or files by topic without having to remember specific page names. And that's all there is to it. The labels list macro is a simple yet super powerful tool for keeping your Confluence spaces tidy, transparent, and easy for everyone to navigate. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. Got questions about macros or Confluence in general? Drop them in the comments. I do my best to reply to everyone. And if you want more practical guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.